So it's been a while since we've done one of these videos. We spend so much time organising our show in Manchester that we very rarely get to go out and visit other conventions, although we would absolutely love to. But weirdly, I have a weekend free, and I've seen a poster this morning for Lyon Tattoo Convention in France. The artwork is absolutely sick, by the way. Definitely go and check that out. I know whoever did it, props to you. You deserve a raise. The only issue is that it's already happening. So that could be an issue. So the plan now is to go and grab a coffee and see if I can even book a flight or a hotel. So unfortunately it's just too short notice for any of the other guys from Tattoo Planet to join me, but flights are booked, hotel is booked. 4 AM start tomorrow. Let's do this.
Letting you go, I was just letting you know. I know the weather is cold, but you on your own. I ain't no regular Joe, you should've left me alone. I'm in the zone, I'm where the predators roam. We at the Senate in Rome, and I'm on the throne. This ain't no regular poem, this ain't that regular tone, no. Do you follow me, baby? Can you see what I have? Do you like what you see? Do I follow your path? I don't know if I like you, I just know that you bad. Who you driving me crazy? You could drive in that cab. Hop out. If you don't like it, you gotta hop out. Always been a player, never dropped out. Rather cop the necklace before I cop out. She want attention, I play the field with my henchmen. She want me back in detention. I study lessons, I'm in a different dimension. I move in different directions, we playing chess. She just gave me the address, see the lady in the dress. She the lady in my text, see the lady is a test. These days I roll alone, tryna stay the f*** up off the phone. Tryna come the f*** up off of poems, not tryna get cuffed up, cuffs and stones. Playing for keeps, I'm a top gun, she playing the sheets. When the ops come, I play for my team, go play with yourself, stop playing with me. Do you follow me, baby? Can you see what I have? Do you like what you see? Do I follow your path? I don't know if I like you, I just know that you bad. Who you driving me crazy? You could drive in that cab. Hop out. If you don't like it, you gotta hop out. Always been a player, never dropped out. Rather cop the necklace before I cop out. I say this with my chest, I laid a brick on my ex. I had to go on a quest, I had to go and progress. Some it's hard to accept, I know I'll never forget, and it's a bet, I keep my memory fresh, I hope my enemies blessed.
So I'm back from Lyon, and what an awesome few days that was. I can't stress enough just how good and how well organised that show is. The tattoo artists that were there were absolutely world class. I didn't see a single piece that didn't blow me away. Unfortunately, in my rush to get everything organised to get to Lyon, I booked the first hotel room that came available on booking.com. It turns out that this hotel was actually quite far away from where the actual convention was at. It did, however, give me a good chance to walk around and get to see everything. And unfortunately, I am notorious for getting lost.
got the phone.
So as we've come to expect from a world-class tattoo convention, obviously the entertainment that they had was absolutely phenomenal. Unfortunately, I didn't get to film very much of this because I always try to walk around and film as many tattooists as I can and just show the dope work that they're doing. But the main thing that swayed me to go to Lyon Tattoo Convention was I got to hang out with my friend Maud. I first met Maud when she came to Manchester to tattoo at our convention. She's an awesome person and a killer tattooist, and personally we find her fucking hilarious. So make sure you go and give her a follow. One of the highlights of the trip for me was actually getting to hang out with Maud and go and checking out Lyon. If you ever plan on visiting the ink factory, which you definitely should, you should also make time to go and check out the city. French beer is the devil. If you're an absolute moron like I am, it's very easy to day drink at a tattoo convention. And when you're with a friend that's as crazy as Maud is, it's very easy to get drunk. So we got a little bit day drunk, and it turns out that when we're drunk, we dance. Badly.
Oye, vamos a tirar una vez más. Miguelito. Ajá, yeah. Dale hasta abajo, baby, no hay más nada. Vamos despacito que te voy a guayar. Dice taquiti, taqui, 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 taquita. Taquiti, taqui, taqui, taquita. Muévelo como taquita, ta, ta, ta. Ven acá. Taquiti, taqui, 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 ta, ta, ta. Taquita, ta, ta, ta. Ven acá. Taquiti, taqui, taqui, taqui. Oye. Baby, vamos a hacerlo toda la noche aquí no hay pero. Boski para pelo, mami, repicando cuero. La noche, rotos en la toque. Una negra dura, le di hasta la toque. Dale hasta abajo, baby, no hay más nada. Vamos despacito que te voy a guayar. Ey, no se acabó la noche y está alerta. Ponte en cuatro, baby, ven pa' acá, tica. Oye, ponte pa' mí, mami, dale pa' atrás. Le damos bien duro hasta la mañana. Dale, mamita, con todo lo que da. Gritando mis nombres hasta la madrugada. Bájate, hasta el show. Ponte, mami, el prosquitero. Hasta la mañana te rapo en la cama, te pongo en las piernas. Popolo, dámela. Mira el que me jala. Movie, yo tengo la chica virada. Baby, dale, wow. Dale hasta abajo, baby, no hay más nada. Vamos despacito que te voy a guayar. Ey, no se acabó la noche y está alerta. Ponte en cuatro, baby, ven pa' Catica. Ey, 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 mami, vamos al mambo. Vamos a bailar, pero vamos matando. Estoy pa' ti, ramo mi rango. No te apures que te agarro bajo ti. Raki, tiki, tiki, ta. Baby, vámonos a tocar. De lo que te gusta. Tra, 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 ta, 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 ta. Ven acá. Taquiti, taqui, 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 taqui. Ven acá. Taquiti, taqui, 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 taqui.
Dice papi.
Se
llama papi.
Well, we hope you enjoyed our video on the ink factory and I guess a little of Lyon. Make sure to definitely follow the Tattoo Convention. They're absolutely awesome. It is one of the smoothest run shows I have ever been to, and I have been to a lot now. Make sure to definitely follow the bad bitch Maud. She is one of the sweetest people you will ever meet, and she deserves all the love she can get. This is Leigh signing off from Tattooed Planet, and as ever, we hope the gods of engagement give you the silkiest reach around. You deserve it.